We're going to continue with the process of transplanting some plants that we got. Something we're going to try a little different this time is what we're going to be using for potting soil. So initially we were using the Happy Frog potting soil, and we're just switching over to still Fox Farm, but it is Ocean Forest.
So the difference is they're both excellent high quality potting soils, but the main difference really is that the Ocean Forest is a little more geared towards fruiting plants, and what we're planting in large part are fruiting plants. So we have tomatoes, 2 cherry tomato plants, and we also have some pepper plants that we're going to do, and that is the Gypsy Mini Bell. And this is a variety we've never grown before at all, so it's totally new to us.
And the Lunchbox Red, which is another new variety to us. And last but not least is the Lunchbox Orange. So it's just something different. I mean, I know mostly we've been growing hot peppers, but I mean, it would be nice to have some sweet peppers to balance things out a little bit. All right, so I'm going to fill the grow bags with Fox Farm.
And these are 5-gallon grow bags that we have here. We also have plenty of containers planted, about 3 to 5 gallons, but we're gonna use some of these bags because we have them and we've had good results with bags in the past, so we're just gonna keep using them. There's a worm.
That's a good sign.
That's a good sign, but I don't know, I feel bad for him living inside of a bag. So honestly, as good as worms are, I'm going to pull him out. I don't know if he wants to live inside of this.
I mean, he will be able to find his way out.
I suppose so. Let's go put him in the garden. Come on.
He ain't gonna come out.
Alright, well, I guess we got a little worm friend. He'll have to find his way. Alright, so we'll pull the roots apart a little bit just to give him some air. There's a price tag in here. You don't need the price. Alright, so put this in here with the worm. And then we're just going to backfill this a little bit. So next, we have the Lunchbox Orange Pepper. If you look at these plants that we bought, they have these little green, I don't know if you can see it, but there's these little green granules in here. Those are fertilizers that they came in the mix that the pots were already, of the plants that were already in the pots. And we are going to let these settle in first. We're not going to be giving them any fertilizer for a little bit because they are already getting nutrients from the potting mix that we're using. And they've already had some level of fertilizer. It's probably been in here for a while, but still. We'll let these settle in, and we're just going to give them water. And then maybe, you know, in like a couple of weeks, we'll take a look at it and we'll feed them as we need, but probably not before like 2 weeks is gone. And the nice thing is with these soil mixes is that they're really well mixed soils already, and they're very lightweight, so there's not a whole lot of breaking up that you need to do. I did kind of like use my hands to crumble it up a little bit to get rid of any larger clumps that were in here, but I mean, you barely need to do any work with these because they're already very airy and very, very lightweight mixes.
Again, I mean, these root systems on these are pretty well spread apart, so I don't think there's really much we need to do with them.
Yeah, they don't look like they were super root bound or anything like that. The plants don't look stressed.
Another worm friend in this one too. Yeah.
Yay! All right, so enjoy, buddy. Hope you like their new homes.
So we are back with a Husky Cherry Red Tomato.
right. That's gonna do it, I guess.
Kind of excited to do this one because it's one of our only pink tigers that actually made it this far, and it actually looks beautiful. So
This is a super hot pepper. We've never actually had this pepper before, so it's one that we bought a packet of seeds from. We're going to try it. We know that it's a super hot, but that's about all that we know. The foliage on it is beautiful. It's this really nice, like, almost black, like, purpley, some green in the newer growth. So we're really excited to see this one grow to full maturity.
That's the one I want to do first.
All right, so this is exciting because we don't know really what the root system on this one is actually like, but we know it's starting to come out of the bottom. Uh-oh. Oh. So the soil on that was kind of loose. This one was probably going to be very happy to get into a much better situation than what we had it in. I'm going to put some more soil on it.
This is our pink tiger. I'm super excited about this plant. I can't wait for these things to start producing for us.
Yes, and we're going to give them some water, and it's so hot.
Yes.
We'll keep you posted on how they do.
It's the warmest day of the year so far here.
So obviously this is the best day to be out here doing this in the blazing sun, but
At 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
all right.
All right. Till next time.
Bye.